Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to install a virtual machine. As you see in the previous lesson, we have installed the VirtualBox, so when you install it you will find this shortcut on your desktop. You will open it, and to create a virtual machine you will press here on New, and then from here you will type the virtual machine name. For example, I will type host, and then here from the type there are types. You will choose Linux, and from here the version you will choose Red Hat 64-bit, and then click on next. From here you will choose the RAM size. It's preferable that you will make it on 1024, and then after you choose the size of your RAM you will click on next, and from here you will leave it on the option create a virtual hard drive now, and press on create. And the hard drive file type you will leave it on VDI, and next. From here there are two choices of the storage on physical hard drive. A dynamically allocated hard drive file will only use space on your physical hard drive as it fills up to the maximum fixed size, and you have the explanation of the fixed size hard drive, so you will leave it here on dynamically allocated and click on next. From here you choose the size of the hard disk. So for example I will make it 20 gigabytes, and then you will press on create, and by that you have created a virtual machine. Here is the virtual machine that you have just created. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.